Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will generate very good profits by using the support become resistance strategy in British pound versus US dollar. I hope you will learn a lot from this video. Please like and share the video. I will apply for trade. See you guys sometime later. Wow guys, we have seen very good profits. It seems that our goal will be achieved soon. We have $2,850 in our account, which we will grow with high probability setup. Let me explain the market pattern to you. Here the market is moving in a strong downtrend for the last 4 days. Before this the market was in a strong uptrend. Now the market is following the downtrend. Therefore a selling opportunity has been created here. We have applied the trade. Here first of all we will create a downtrend channel. The market is moving downwards by creating lower high points on this trend line. We can also call these points as trendline resistance points. We'll connect this trend line with all the points properly. We'll connect the second trend line at lower low points. This trend line is working as support. Whenever the market comes around this trend line, we can get reversal signals from which we can predict in which direction the market will go. Right now the market is moving very well downwards, forming lower low lower high points inside this trend channel. Our entry is at the right time so that we can maximize profit in the trade. Now we will draw a strong level. The market has been following this level for a long time, which you can easily see in the chart. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level a long time ago. Here you can see that first the market took resistance, then I broke the level and created support, on which resistance become support pattern is created. After this pattern the market went up a lot. Then the market has created multiple support points at the same level. From these points we come to know that this level is a strong level. Whenever the market comes near this level we see a reversal. At the same level the market first created multiple support points and later broke this level and created resistance, due to which support become resistance pattern was created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. Whenever the market follows the downtrend well, we will see such patterns which give us strong signals in which direction the market will move. Our analysis work is complete. Now we place stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 11 pips above the strong level and outside the trend channel. Here our stop loss is placed at the right place as the market needs to break the trend line to hit the stop loss. There is very little chance of this happening, and the target point will be 33 pips below, where the market will create a new lower low point. We have to hold this trade till this level. Guys, the bad news is that our profit has converted into loss. Right now our loss is around $600. I quickly place stop loss and target point. Guys, this game of profit loss will continue and we will have to remain disciplined in trading. This is called strong psychology. We have used risk to reward ratio 1:3 in this trade. To achieve this target we will need a lot of patience, because big targets are hit only with patience. Always keep the target bigger than the stop loss, only then you will be able to become profitable. All our work is completed. Now we will remain in the trade until stop loss or target is hit. See you guys a little later.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in.
Wow guys, nice move. The market reacted the way we analyzed. We had all the levels right, so we got the right signals. The market spent a lot of time near our strong level. The market always moves in the consolidation zone for a long time before making a big move. Our profit target was at this level, which has been hit. The market is currently moving 10 pips below the profit target. We were patient here and the market gave us good results. Here I am drawing another level which the market has respected. At this level the market created multiple support points and later broke this level and created resistance, due to which the support become resistance pattern has been created again here. The market always creates such patterns in downtrend. From this we can predict in which direction the market will go. Such patterns always give strong signals so that we can catch good opportunities. Guys, our profit is around $12,000. We had $2,850 in this account, which has grown to $15,000. Here we have achieved the target of risk reward 1:4. We did this because we followed the discipline and our rules properly, due to which we got very good results. Here the work of strategy was only 10% and the remaining 90% was required for discipline and strong psychology. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share it so that my video can reach other people. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.